Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a Hostinger domain to your Shopify store. All right, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify dashboard. In the lower left corner, open Settings and select Domains. You will see your current myshopify.com address. Click Connect Existing Domain. Now go to Hostinger and open Domains and choose the domain you want to use. Copy the domain name and paste it into Shopify and click Next. Shopify will show the DNS records you must add in Hostinger. Return to Hostinger and open Manage for your domain. Go to DNS and add the required DNS records. When all records are updated, return to Shopify and click I updated DNS records. If everything is correct, you will see the green confirmation. Finally, set the domain as your primary domain. So, that's basically how you can connect a Hostinger domain to your Shopify store. That's it for this video. Thanks.